Hello traders, I am SB Suryavanshi, CEO and founder of Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy. I have overall 12 years experience in this market. My friend, yes, I'd like to share my journey. I started my profession as a banker. Basically, I completed my MBA Finance. After that, I joined bank as assistant manager. But I realized if you want to complete your dreams, it's not possible at all with job. So I left my job and I started trading as a profession. In beginning period of time I made money. After that I lost my all capital because I used to trade like a speculator without knowledge, without skill set. I realized my mistake. I come to know the stock market, this is a business of knowledge and skill set. After that I given a priority to education. I attended some international trading program. I started reading books. I got a mentor who is a fund manager. I learned everything and slowly gradually I applied those knowledge in my trading and I got very good result. And my friend, yes, my life transformed as a professional trader. Yes, so my friend, yes, I am a professional trader. I am an investor. I have more than 12 year experience in this market. And my friend, yes, right? And after that I realized traders really need professional knowledge. After that I started trainings. And my friend, yes, I trained more than 4,000 traders. And my friend, yes, now we are going to conduct one free stock market seminar. Yes, I'm talking about my free stock market seminar where you are going to learn what is price action trading, what is derivative trading, and how to earn consistent money from stock market, what is Elliott wave theories, what is the secret of successful traders. My friend, yes, we will discuss everything within a 3 hours. So my friend, yes, I'm going to announce about this seminar. My friend, yes, so click on below link which I mentioned in description, and book your seat for free stock market webinar. And yes my friend, don't miss this opportunity and start your success journey, start your trading journey as a professional trader with me.